So guys, welcome to the lecture 5 part 1, and today our topic is a string. So what is a string? So string is basically in programming is a sequence of character used to represent text. In C++, a string can be handled into the two primary ways. You can see first one C style string. So it means an array of character terminated by the null character. You can see this is the null character, and this char string and hello, this is the syntax of string. And standard string class, a part of the C++ standard template library STL, which provide dynamic and the convenient way to work with the string. So you can see here also, this is the standard string str, and we just initialize with the hello. So features of standard string. So automatically manage memory, dynamic size, provide built-in function for operation like concatenation, comparison, and substring etc. This is a safer and easier than C style string. So you can see the syntax of string. So here first we declare our string. This is the basically header file. Then just write first data types. Then we write our string name str, and we are initialize with the hello. So types of string C style char array, and second is a C++ string class standard string, and third one is a byte string, and fourth one is a row string literals. So here you can see the common operation on the string. So first one is a initialization. So we can initialize string with any text. You can see we just type here hello. So second is a concatenation. So we just concatenation two string. So first one is a hello, and second is the world. So we just adding this world in the hello. And third one is a accessing chars. So we just access string 0 characters. So this is the for the length. So we are finding the length of string. So we are using this length function. And for the substring, you just write first string name, then this substr function, and this is the starting position, and this is the ending position. So, and next one is a insert. So insert is basically used to insert element, and this erase function basically deletes some element by using the index value. And next is a replace. So replace is basically replace the value, and find function is basically used to find any character, and compare is basically compare the string. So now we discuss how to take input in the string. So by using this cin function, first we need to make a variable string, then we just write cin str. By using this one, we are taking input in a string. So using getLine, take the full line including space. So you can see the syntax of getLine. So advantage of string over the character. So dynamic size, built-in function for operation, safe and easier to manipulate. And time complexity of string for the access by index taking big O of n, and for the concatenation taking big O of n, and for the find out the any character so taking big O of n, and for the insert and deletion taking big O of n. Now you can see the example of string. So here we just initialize s1 string with the hello, and we are also initialize another string s2 with world. Okay, now we are concatenation string 1 and string 2, and we are putting summation of both in the string 3. So this is the basically concatenation. Then we are printing s3, and we are also find length of this concatenation means hello world. So length of s3 by we are using length function here for find out the length of string s3, and for the substring we are using this substr function, and for the insert we are using this function insert to insert C++ at the index 5, and after the insert we just print our string 3. So this is the example of string. I think it's clear to everyone. Thank you.